Hello, everybody, and welcome back to your social media compass. My name is Jacqueline Baker, and I'm very excited to have a very special guest today. I have Nicolett Jaxa, and we're going to have an awesome conversation. How are you today?
Yay, hi. Thank you. I'm good. I'm feeling excited to talk to you, and I'm. Let's get started.
Awesome. I love the enthusiasm. So tell us, who are you? What do you do?
Okay, so I'm a personal brand strategist. I do coaching on LinkedIn, so I'm kind of a LinkedIn coach as well, and I'm a ghostwriter as well. And besides my work on LinkedIn, I'm a student too. I study tourism management, so basically it has nothing to do with LinkedIn or personal branding. But yeah, I'm pursuing my degree, but I plan to make LinkedIn as my full-time job.
I love to hear that because I feel like so many people nowadays, they really want to get into it, but they just don't know how.
Yeah, you have to just get started. So many people are scared, but there's nothing you should be scared of.
No, I agree with you because right now you have around 18,000 followers on LinkedIn, which is insane.
Yeah, I started in January, on the end of the January. And so basically, I've been around for like 10, 11 months now, and I gained 18K. So in that, in 18, 11 months, sorry.
Wow. What is your secret? I think we all just want to know, like, how did you do that?
I'm very transparent about everything. I share my journey, what I learned. Basically, I share everything I know, and I provide so much value, and people resonate with that, and they learn from my content, and I think that's my secret.
I could tell because also your engagement is like through the roof. It's really, really good.
Yes, yes, people are constantly commenting and liking and DMing me, but I feel honored. It feels great to teach people and help people out.
Yeah. Do you have like a special engagement strategy?
Uh, I do comment to my peers, like industry peers, to fellow personal brand strategists, ghostwriters, LinkedIn coaches, like LinkedIn celebrity influencers, and to my ICPs as well. Um, and yeah, basically, I do 30 minutes before posting, and I stay on my comment section 1 hour after posting. So basically, that's my engagement strategy. I answer to every comment. I appreciate everybody. I send appreciation messages in DMs. For example, if somebody liked my content or commented. And yeah.
That's amazing. I love to hear that. What services do you offer regarding LinkedIn?
I do offer one-on-one coaching. And I do have a coaching program. The one-on-one coaching is just a one session, and the coaching program is 3 sessions, each dedicated for different aspects and topics of LinkedIn. And I do offer ghostwriting and workshops, corporate workshops, and conference workshops.
Fantastic. And do you feel like you get a lot of leads from LinkedIn?
Yes, I do get a lot of inbound leads, and I do outreach as well.
Oh, that's awesome. Do you have like a specific strategy, like for other folks who want to do a similar kind of initiative?
Basically, don't pitch on the first message. So don't just send your services to somebody and try to close them, but try to initiate a conversation with them to discover their pain points, to give solution, and always provide value to them. So basically, it's a conversation, and it's like a doctor method. You discover their pain points and you offer your solutions on that. You how to say that? You offer your like help to hop on a free call and a discovery call, and basically that's the process.
Fantastic. Yeah, like when I first found your page, I think it was maybe a couple months ago, I thought it was just like fantastic. And I was like, I have to chat with Nicolett. She looks amazing.
I'm so happy to hear that. It's my second time on a podcast, and I feel very excited and nervous.
Yeah, no, it's super exciting. I feel like nowadays, thanks to, the internet and social media in general, there's just so many new opportunities out there we may not have gotten otherwise.
Yeah, yeah. LinkedIn offers so many opportunities when it comes to work, landing a job. Uh, Basically, when you're an agency owner or you have like your own business and company, you can grow it on LinkedIn.
Definitely, it's such a great place to get clients, especially if you're more in the B2B space.
Yes, and people are more supportive on this platform than on Instagram or TikTok. I feel like on Instagram and TikTok, people are toxic and negative, but on LinkedIn, people are positive and everybody is supporting you and want to help you.
Yeah, no, I feel the same way. Are you on any other platforms?
No, I'm only on LinkedIn. I have Instagram, but that's for like my personal account. I don't plan for now to shift to another platform. I want to grow my LinkedIn as much as I can.
Yeah, do you feel like you're on a steady pace regarding how many followers you get a week or a month?
Uh, I get like 100 daily. So that's when I'm not posting. When I'm posting, it's more than that. So I grow by 1K like in 1 or 2 weeks.
That is so impressive, and I love that. I want to get to that myself.
Yeah, it's like impressive. I couldn't be more grateful for that. I grow so fast and I just had to figure it out everything so quickly because when I came here, I didn't have any plan what to do. I just started writing. I didn't know what personal branding means or what is ghostwriting. So basically, I learned everything as I wrote on LinkedIn and as I go.
Yeah, that was my next question. Like, did you have anyone guiding you, or did you just kind of figure it out on your own?
No, I just figured out everything. I sit down and basically consumed every content that I felt that is quality. For example, from Yasmin Alic or Lara, and they helped me a lot with their content. And yeah, that's how I learned everything by doing and reading and yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm the kind of learner I feel where I learn the best by doing. I still love, reading and listening, but like I actually have to do something to really get the hang of it.
Yeah, yeah. LinkedIn offers so many educational content, and you can learn everything when it comes to different like industries, from finance to marketing to basically everything.
No, I completely agree. It's such a great hub because sometimes, Google and other kind of similar platforms could be a little crowded, but LinkedIn's a little more, I guess you could say mellow in regards to there's not as much information being thrown at you.
Yeah, I think 1 or 2% of LinkedIn users are posting on
Yeah.
LinkedIn, so it's easy to stand out.
Mhm. You're absolutely right. I read somewhere recently it was between like 1% and 3% or something along those lines.
Yeah, it's impressive compared to Instagram. That is like 30% of Instagram users are content creators.
It's so interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. So LinkedIn is definitely the place where you can shine and stand out from the crowd.
I know, I know. Are you working on anything exciting right now that you could share? Like any new ventures?
Yeah. My website is in the making, so that's my next step. I'm gonna launch my website and newsletter very soon.
Oh, that's very exciting. Yeah, no, newsletters are awesome.
Yes, it's great to convert clients, and in case if you get banned by LinkedIn, which happens quite frequently. I'm not sure why, but it didn't happen to me, but to other people. So it's great to have like a second option where you can shift your audience.
Hmm. Yeah, because you never know. Like, you could accidentally go against one of their terms and conditions, and then you're just done.
Yes, LinkedIn doesn't like when you use like third party apps or something like this. So you can you can get easily banned if you are not careful enough.
Yeah. No, I definitely see that. And it's something that's kind of scary if like that's where you put so much energy in.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, no, I'm very excited to see your website.
Yeah, basically, I found a girl on Fiverr, and she helps me do my website. She's so professional, and she's building her own portfolio. So I'm excited to be on her portfolio. I think it will be done in like a month or so.
Oh, perfect. So I will definitely keep my eyes open for that.
Yay!
Yeah, that's amazing. Do you have any like final advice, thoughts, ideas, feedback you want to share before we start wrapping up?
I think you shouldn't be afraid of getting started on LinkedIn. You can always stand out no matter which industry are you in, just by sharing your story or life story, especially if you have like a unique story to share, and always be authentic, and you can stand out. Just don't be afraid to get started.
Amazing. And what is the best way that we can get in touch with you?
You can get in touch with me by my LinkedIn profile. I have my DMs, obviously, and I have two links in my features section. One is a paid call, and the other one is a discovery call where we can chat about how I can help and support your growth. And yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, I feel very excited, and it's just like a new experience for me. So thank you for inviting me on your podcast.
Of course. So all of Nicolett's information will be in the show notes. Definitely give her a follow. Her content is fantastic. I am a huge fan and I look forward to it every single day. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next episode.
See you.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you.